Hello, welcome back to the shed. Thanks for tuning in. I haven't done an XJ600 video for a while, so what I need to do is remove the rear shock and the rear swinging arm, because I need to get the frame into the workshop to start looking at how I need to modify it to suit the new seat and the new style. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but that's a few videos down the line at least. This is a long-term project. I knew it would be because of time, but it's good, it's content, it's interesting, and hopefully you're enjoying it as well. Looking at the bolts, I'm going to have a bit of fun getting these out. The bike, as I've said before, it's absolutely coated. I don't think it's ever been cleaned, ever, to be honest, so that's going to be enjoyable.
Well, do you, punk?
So yeah, I need to degrease it a little bit, not completely, just so that I can handle it a bit easier. And I need to have a go at removing some of these bolts, which I can see already look as if they've fused themselves to the frame. So it's going to be interesting. There we go. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Wish me luck. Cheers. Well, it's been a while since we've had a look at the XJ and the Scrambler project. As you can see, not a lot left to come off before I can get the frame into the workshop and have a look at doing a bit of fabrication on it. So obviously need to take this rusty little number off.
It is. It's a bit nipply out. I mean nippy out.
And remove this swinging arm as well, and then I'll be in a position to take it into the workshop and do some fabrication on it and go from there. So let's crack on. Okay, so there's the frame now. It's pretty much there now, ready to take into the workshop. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. As I've said before, there's a couple of welds I'd like to go over again obviously the back end here needs to be rounded, and obviously I need to measure the seat distance as well. I'll find what seat I'm going to put on it, but it's a few bits to take off it. But yeah, it's pretty much there, ready to take into the workshop now. Here, see these welds here and here and here, and on the other side as well. Just a bit of shoring up to do, really. We focus there. But yeah, structurally okay. As I said, no cracks or anything on the frame. So that's ready to go now, completely stripped down. And if you were wondering, obviously there's the engine. If you were wondering where all the parts have disappeared to, there we go.
I know. Roddy, we can double our money on this.
Some wheels and all the components in there. Obviously the majority of those are not going to go back on. So there we go. And there's the carbs. So yeah, not bad. Getting there. Watch this space. Cheers for watching. So, got that bolt out eventually. Obviously just rusted completely. And this isn't a, I've degreased this outside, but it's not it's obviously not a final degrease or a final clean. It's just I'm sick and tired of handling any part of this bike really, because it's all just so thick with grease and grime. So it was just a degrease just to get rid of the majority of it, so I can handle it a little bit easier. So that bolt's come out. As you can see, it took a lot of effort to get that out, a lot of soaking in WD-40 and other rust removal sprays, but there we go. You know, swinging arm off, and I can move on a bit now and degrease this further and clean it further and get it resprayed and look at ordering some new parts.